If you have a wave music system, you'll likely need to set your clock or alarm at some point. It's easy to do and just takes a few minutes. To change the clock, press and hold the plus or minus button on the remote. The display will change faster as you continue to hold down the button. Release the button when you're close to the time you want. Just press plus or minus from there to get the exact time you want. The time is set and the display will return to normal in a few seconds. To switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time, press and hold the Alarm Setup/Menu button on the remote. Then press the right Tune/MP3 button 4 times until you see the time displayed. Use the plus and minus buttons to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time. Press the Alarm Setup/Menu button again to exit. Now for the alarms. Your wave music system has 2 alarms. To set the first one, press the Alarm Setup button on the remote. You'll see the alarm number and start time both flash in the upper right. Then you'll see the current settings in the main display. Use the time buttons on the remote to set your wake-up time. You'll see it on the display. The wave music system lets you decide how you'd like to wake up. You can choose from a buzzer, a radio station, or a favorite song from a CD. First, make sure you're in the alarm setup mode. Then for the buzzer, press the sleep/buzzer button on the remote. For radio, press Radio, then select your station. And to choose a song, press CD and select your track. Now, because waking up isn't always easy, you can even choose how loud you want your alarm to be. Make sure you're in the alarm setup mode first, then use the volume buttons to set the wake-up volume where you'd like it. You're all set with the first alarm. To set the second alarm, press the Alarm Setup button, select Alarm 2, and repeat the same steps. To exit Alarm Setup mode, press Alarm Setup until neither time is flashing. To turn the alarms on or off, press Alarm 1 or Alarm 2 on the remote. You can see which alarms are on in the display. You're all done. Time to enjoy some music and get a good night's sleep. For more product tips, just visit youtube.com/Bose.